In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate a video on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right into it. Vimeo has a fantastic variety of videos, whether you're exploring art, documentaries, or something educational. Rating a video with a simple like is super easy, and it helps creators understand which content resonates with their audience. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open Vimeo. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign into your account. If you don't have one, it's straightforward to create an account, but for now, I'll assume you're already part of the Vimeo community. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by a beautiful array of visual content. Next, find the video you want to rate. If you're searching for something specific, you can use the search bar at the top of the page. Enter keywords related to the video you have in mind. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it to open the video page. Now that you're on the page, you should see the video player front and center. This is where the magic happens. As the video plays, you'll want to keep an eye on the area just below the player. You might notice a few buttons and options available for interaction, but today, we're focusing on the rating system. Look closely, and you'll see a heart icon, which is often represented as a simple heart shape. When you find that heart, this is your cue. Just move your mouse over to the heart icon, then click it. Once you click the heart, something exciting happens. The heart will change appearance to show that your like has been registered. It's a small but satisfying indication that you've successfully rated the video. Now let's say you've had a change of heart, or you feel the need to remove your rating. No worries, that's just as easy. Simply click the heart icon again. With a second click, you'll see that the heart reverts back to its original state, and your like will no longer be counted. It's all very user-friendly and allows you to manage your interactions flexibly. But have you ever wondered how you can view the videos you've liked? Perhaps you want to revisit them later? It's super simple. Just head over to your profile picture at the top right corner of the Vimeo page. Clicking on that will bring up a drop-down menu. From there, select the option that says Watch. This takes you to a section where you'll find your history of interactions. Among those options, you'll see one labeled Liked Videos. Clicking on this will give you a curated list of all the videos you've shown some love to, making it easy to revisit those works of art or those informative pieces that you found particularly engaging. And there you have it. Rating videos on Vimeo is not only a way to support creators, but it also helps others discover great content based on what you and other viewers enjoy. The process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to express your appreciation in just a few clicks. So, the next time you find a video that resonates with you, don't forget to give it a like. It makes a difference, and it encourages creators to keep producing great content for us all to enjoy. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to rate a video on Vimeo. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing